Is this Defender X Series case from ByteRock going to be worth it for the 17 Pro Max? Let's find out. So this case has that more rugged feel to it, but it still keeps that slimness. It also does have a lot of protective features, like at the top right here, you have your lens protector piece that does pop out over those camera lenses. It is also MagSafe too, has the MagSafe ring right there in the middle, so going to be compatible with any MagSafe accessories or wireless charging. The case does pop out over the screen side too, so you have a lot more protection for your screen. Also included is going to be a screen protector, so if you want more protection for your screen, you can actually install that before you put the case on. And on each corner you can see that you do get these bumpers on the top and also the bottom. So if you drop your phone on the sides, the corners, anywhere on those bumpers, all the shock will actually go to those. Plus you still get control of that camera action button too. And if you're a fan of belt clips, it does come with one. You can just snap your phone with the case on it right into that belt clip. You can clip this on your belt loop, your jeans, and it also does rotate 360, so you can get pretty much any angle that you want with it. Overall though, if you are looking for more protection for your 17 Pro Max, but you want something easy to use on the daily, would definitely recommend this one. Dual layered and really has everything you need for great daily use, so definitely would recommend this for the 17 Pro Max.